On March 23, 2005, several explosions and a fire occurred during the startup of the isomerization unit at BP's Texas City refinery, where 15 workers were killed and 180 others were injured when highly flammable gasoline components were released from a raffinate splitter tower. Pressure relief devices were opened, resulting in a flammable liquid geyser from a blowdown stack which was not equipped with a flare for safety. The release of these flammables led to an explosion and fire. All of the fatalities occurred in or near office trailers located close to the blowdown drum. Here is amateur video of the explosion. Houses were damaged far away as 3/4 of a mile from the refinery. This refinery was constructed in 1934. The refinery is a 1,200-acre facility that processed up to 460,000 barrels of raw crude oil a day. The facility was strategically positioned to provide products to the U.S. Gulf Coast, Midwest, and Southeast. The refinery is the third largest refinery in the United States. Prior to 1999, Amoco owned the refinery. BP and Amoco merged in 1999, and BP subsequently took over the operation of the facility.